distinguished guests, respected faculty, dear family present and online, and I know there are many families online, and most important, the graduates today. It's an incredible honor to stand before you as we celebrate the end of this chapter and a beginning of many more. As I reflect on our time here, I cannot help and think of one piece of advice we were given in the beginning of this journey. The road may be long, but the destination is really worth it, and we can attest to that. And looking back now, it is clear, like I've said, that the road is definitely worth it. From the moment we stepped into SBS, for some of us, it was a thought and we were not sure. Each of us brought something very unique to the table, a different perspective, a different experience, a different dream. And over the past months, we have transformed those differences into shared knowledge, friendships, because friendships have been built here, and real-world business solutions. Our faculty can confirm that our projects are changing Africa. Whether we were working through case studies, which again I say were many, but the beauty is the case studies were from all over the world, and real companies that we can attest to. We made connections, or even just shared moments of learning. We have grown together and learned so much about business, which is what we thought brought us here, about leadership, and as we heard from the Major Fatima, this is a key thing, but most importantly, about ourselves. One of the standout experiences for me, and I'm sure for all graduates here who managed to go abroad, was the international module, and for us, it was in Singapore. It was not just a trip, but an eye-opener. It showed us how business is done on a global scale and how innovation happens in real time. We saw first-hand possibilities that emerge when we think beyond our local environments and embrace the world as a whole, because that is what Singapore has done. Back home in Kenya and Africa at large, that global perspective is exactly what we need. We're a continent brimming with a lot of potential. With the tools we have gained here at SBS, whether it's through technology, critical thinking, or leadership, we're equipped to bring about meaningful change, and I can attest change is coming. Whether we're launching new ventures, transforming industries, we know that the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Of course, none of this will have been possible without our exceptional faculty. I can see a good number of them here. Their expertise, passion, and guidance have inspired us every step of the way. More than just teaching us theory, they have shown us how to believe in our own potential and strive for excellence, no matter what. I think we can all agree they pushed us to think bigger, challenge ourselves further, and believe that success is within our reach. To our faculty present and in absentia, thank you for enduring our endless questions. At times they had to kick us out of class because the questions were so many. You encouraged us and you made us feel like there's no goal that is too great. To our beloved families, we are grateful for your constant encouragement and your involvement in our journey. Thank you for being our education partners. As we leave Strathmore today, we are not just graduates. We are ready to face the world with the knowledge and mindset to make an impact. The challenges ahead are big, like Major Fatma said, but the opportunities are also so many. Whether we're launching businesses, driving technological innovation, and you know no conversation can go on without technology, or even leading our communities, because we have to make our communities better, we're prepared to shape the future. Let us remember that this is not just a program. We are the leaders, innovators, and the change makers of tomorrow. Let us take everything we have learned here about business, leadership, and about life. I emphasize about life because I think on day 4 we had to bring our families here, and the discussions were quite heated, but we left better people and we are taking that home. And I also leave us to believe that we can make and build the Africa we know is possible. And as Jules Jassaran said, the future is not in the hands of fate, but in ours. I congratulate you all. The journey has just begun. God bless you.